Hi, folks. I'm meteorologist Tom Kavicka. Now, once Cenla Weather got these tower cams installed, we went from 1 to 8. This is what we can do with this, and this is one of the reasons of the investment in getting these cameras, where we can show you what's happening near you and relate it to radar, satellite, and other things, tools that we use here in meteorology. Right now, this is the view at Texas Street. It's in our broadcasting camera. We're seeing a mostly cloudy sky. We've got a little unsettled look. You see rain in the distance. There are thunderstorms in the distance. I hadn't seen a lightning strike there recently. Raining up at the Rapides Hospital tower cam as we go sky cam as we're looking toward the Curtis Coleman Bridge there to the north. You see a pretty good rain shower. Visibility really reduced on the other side of the bridge. And of course, again, these are thunderstorms, but just don't see a lightning strike there yet. Gina, things looking a little unsettled. You see some towers in the sky there, a little dark base showing up in that direction. So yeah, it's a little unsettled in that direction. Also, Stelli's way down in Limbo at St. Landry. We've got towering cumulus, which is the stage just below a thunderstorm. Many times the cloud, of course, has to grow enough vertically to produce lightning. That's when you get a thunderstorm. So we're getting close down in that area. So all across central Louisiana, the message for our cams is, hey, it's unsettled and we have some thunderstorms. And this is kind of the most settled view. Natchez, you folks already had your rain and thunderstorms earlier, and so that's passed by, and we just see clouds left over, what we call debris clouds, left over, mostly high and mid-level stuff. Going to Toledo Bend, the lake has settled down some, but you still see some definitely some choppiness there, and we've gone to a little bit more stable look there as well. But strong winds went through that location. In fact, Sabine Parish was under a severe thunderstorm warning earlier, but that has since cleared. Leesville, likewise, hazy. It is raining at the tower cam site there. And you can see that thunderstorms in the vicinity. No lightning detected yet on the cam at this moment, but there are a few lightning strikes there in that local area. So again, raining in Leesville. And our final stop in northeast Beauregard as we look in the direction to the northwest, as we're seeing some clouds billowing up, dark bases, and it looks like some rain falling below those cloud bases. So once again, the story is things are unsettled here in central Louisiana. The radar story shows a convective system organized one diverging out, spreading out from west to east across its northern side to northeast to southwest across its southwestern side. A very well-known signature with these type convective systems. And we're lucky because this is weakened as it's approached central Louisiana, although it did prompt warnings for Sabine, Natchez, Wynn, Grant, and LaSalle parishes earlier on. So let's get a little closer look at this. We've got the lightning on. Judging by the lightning, the strongest storms now have kind of shifted to the south along this little band across South Beauregard into Allen Parish. We'll have to watch these storms for any severe development. Perhaps the most likely thing would be downburst type winds, because these thunderstorms can develop quickly. The updraft pulses up quickly and it descends quickly as well once the storm goes through its life cycle from birth to mature and then back to demise. Across South Rapides, a little lightning strikes in that direction, an outflow boundary right there. So let me just kind of put this in motion for you on the local scale. You can see this is coming in now from the northwest. A little bit better, certainly better coverage across our southwestern areas. But again, as the cameras illustrated, up at Toledo Bend, Natchez, Alexandria, Leesville, Beauregard between DeRidder and Dry Creek, right in this particular area. Northeast St. Landry around Stelli's, about right here. We again see the same story. LaSalle Parish, Gina, up in that direction, that things are unsettled. It's mostly cloudy. And we have thunderstorms and rain in progress in some of the area. Right now, as far as any alerts, let's put those alerts on, and I'll just kill the motion for now. These are special weather statements the Weather Service puts out. Say, yeah, this is something folks need to know about or might want to know about, but it's not a severe warning. So these are special weather statements, mainly for strong wind. In this situation, I'd say 40 to 50 mile per hour winds are still possible with some of this action. That would be the exception and not the rule, though. And this is a little part of a severe thunderstorm watch, which is valid until 9 o'clock. And that is for Catahoula and Concordia parishes, and over across the border into Adams County, where there's less going on right now than back off to the southwest. All right, so that's kind of my review of what's going on here for this evening. Just kind of want to let you know and show you what the tower cams and our sky cams can show folks, and why we had the investment in that, and relate it to the other weather tools that we have, satellite radar and those type things, so we can get kind of a unique view of your area as to what's happening. All right, well, thanks for being with me. Take care. I'll do a little weather show here in, let's see, what's it, a little after 4, probably about an hour and a half. I'll be back with the main little weathercast. All right, take care, and thanks for your support, and we'll keep